Hello and welcome to How to Play Priorities. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need the Priorities game. Thanks to Clarendon Games for providing the game used in this video. Shuffle the cards and place them to the side. Nominate one player to start with the whiteboard and pen. This player is known as the target player. Deal the top 5 cards from the deck face up into the middle for everyone to see. The target player will secretly rank the items on the flipped up cards from 1 to 5, with 1 being their most loved item and 5 being their least loved item. The target player can write out the item or just write out the card number. Once completed, the whiteboard is placed face down. The other players will then work together to put the cards in an order they think will match the target player's order written on the whiteboard. The target player cannot help in any way. Once the cards are placed in order, the whiteboard is flipped up and compared. There are 2 variations for scoring. If a number matches with its rank on the whiteboard, the card is won by the players. If a card does not match, the card is won by the game. The cards are flipped to the letter side and the players compete against the game to see who can spell out priorities first. If the players spell out priorities before the game, they win. The alternative scoring variation is to take the difference between the ranks from the cards compared to the whiteboard. The difference amount becomes the player's score for the game. Here, the players ranked the number 2 item as number 4. That is a difference of 2. The players ranked the number 4 item as the number 2 item. This is also a difference of 2. The players score 4 points for this round. The lower your score, the better. That wraps up How to Play Priorities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.